I'm Anna McPherson, and how fabulous is this outlook? You could be waking up to this every day if you were to purchase one of our two properties at Kennedy Street in Zilzie. Situated in total on a 2,535 metre square allotment on two titles, you have the opportunity to purchase one or both of these gorgeous homes. So let's head on in and have a look. Outside number 32 Kennedy Street. This one is situated on a 1,179 metre square allotment, has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and as you can see is a double-storey brick. So let's head on in and take a look around. Located just next door and situated on a 1,356 metre square allotment, you'll find 28 Kennedy Street. Now this one oozes character and has loads of storage, so let's have a look. So guys, there you have it for 28 and 32 Kennedy Street in Zilzie. If you are looking for a property in an absolutely superb location with loads of potential, please do not hesitate to contact Adam Cook or myself regarding one or both of these stunning homes.